Hello you guys, today I will be doing an unboxing video of a Brother factory remanufactured sewing machine. It's model number LX3817. The R wasn't in the description on the Amazon website, so I don't believe you guys would need that when you look it up if you decide to purchase one. Alright, let's see what's inside. Okay, right on top is the operation manual. And then behind that is the instructional DVD. I'm a beginner sewer, so I definitely will be watching the DVD and reading through the manual. All right, let's get some of this packaging out and see this sewing machine. Here's the foot and also the cord in one pack. Also in the box over here, the bobbins and thread, well not thread, the needles and the bobbins. That's what we have so far. Now let's pull out the sewing machine. It's wrapped in plastic. And let's see, I think that's it, you guys, inside the box. Okay, here it is, you guys. I did remove some of the blue tape that was on here. Here's your dial for your different types of stitches. The reverse stitch button. I think that's the tension knob. And what's under there? A quick reference guide. This is the back of the machine. And here's the other side of the machine. This is where the model number and the serial number are, just in case you need to call in a service ticket or look up parts or anything like that. All right, that's it, you guys. That's the Brother LX3817 sewing machine. It's a factory remanufactured sewing machine. Looks brand spanking new. So pretty. Love the detail in the design. Here's what was in the box. And that's the end of my video, you guys. Stay tuned for my first impression. I'm going to do a video of me setting up the sewing machine and trying out a couple of stitches. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your day. Bye.